National 5, Section 1, Tutorial 1. Expand 4 bracket 3x plus 5 minus 2 bracket 3x minus 4. So 4 lots of 3x is 12x. 4 lots of 5 is 20. Minus 2 times 3x is minus 6x. Minus 2 times minus 4, minus times minus is a plus. Now I'm going to collect together terms. 12x take away 6x is 6x. 20 plus 8 is 28. 6x plus 28, that's the final answer. Example 2, expand 3x bracket 5x minus 2. 3x times 5x is 15x squared. 3x times minus 2 is minus 6x. That's the final answer. Section 1, question 3, expand 3x minus 2 bracket 2x plus 1. Now, depending on the way the teacher has explained this one to you, there's a couple of different methods. So one method is called FOIL. FOIL, first, outsides, insides, last. So using that method, 3x times 2x is 6x squared. Outsides 3x times 1 is 3x. Insides minus 2 times 2x is minus 4x, and lasts minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Then tidy up the terms in the middle, so that's 6x squared, 3x take away 4x is minus x, minus 2. Now another alternative method to that one is to take the first term and multiply by the second bracket, and then the second term and multiply by the second bracket, and collect everything together. So I'm going to start with 3x times 2x plus 1. Minus 2 bracket 2x plus 1. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times 1 is 3x. Minus 2 times 2x is minus 4x, and minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Again, tidy up the terms in the middle. 6x squared minus x minus 2, and I get the same result, and that's the final answer for example 3. Section 1, example 4. Expand 3x minus 2 bracket 2x squared plus 5x minus 7. I'm going to take the first term and multiply by the second bracket. Second term multiply the second bracket, and then collect together like terms. So it's going to be 3x bracket 2x squared plus 5x minus 7 minus 2 bracket 2x squared plus 5x minus 7. Just take your time. 3x times 2x squared is 6x cubed. 3x times 5x is 15x squared. 3x times minus 7 is minus 21x. Minus 2 times 2x squared is minus 4x squared. Minus 2 times 5x is minus 10x. And minus 2 times minus 7, a negative times a negative will give me a positive, and that's plus 14. Then collect together like terms, so I've got 6x cubed. 15x squared minus 4x squared is 11x squared. Minus 21x minus 10x is minus 31x plus 14, and that's the final answer. Section 1, example 5. Expand 5x minus 6 bracket 2x squared plus 1. So again, FOIL method, first outsides, insides, last could be used. First, 5x times 2x squared is 10x cubed. Outsides, 5x times plus 1 is 5x. Insides, minus 6 times 2x squared is minus 12x squared. And lasts, minus 6 times 1 is minus 6. It's 10x cubed minus 12x squared plus 5x minus 6. Alternatively, we do first term times the second bracket, second term times the second bracket, and collect together terms. And that would be 5x bracket 2x squared plus 1 minus 6 bracket 2x squared plus 1. That's 5x times 2x squared is 10x cubed. 5x times 1 is 5x. Minus 6 times 2x squared is minus 12x squared. Minus 6 times 1 is minus 6. 10x cubed minus 12x squared plus 5x minus 6, which is the same result using the FOIL method, and that's the final answer.